Hi everyone, it is currently my midterms week, so come and study with me. So for today, I currently have a reflection paper that I need to write. And with that, I will be using my new pen. This is the Flotica pen, which you basically just have to long press to record, and it will automatically record any meeting or anything that you are watching. And what will basically happen is that it will automatically transcribe everything onto your phone. And you can also ask any follow-up question with your AI feature, which will help you make note taking much more organized. And what I also like about this is that you can also make it your assistant by assisting with creating to-do list and summary. So that's been really helpful with me when I'm studying. Just to see what is inside the box, it includes the pen and many accessories. And if you're wondering how to connect it to your phone, it's very simple. You just have to download the app and then connect the pen, and then that's it. I also quite like how it is always on the go, so I can use it as my assistant whenever I have to write something or have a meeting to attend to. Basically, I just have to long press again to record, and everything will be automatically transcribed, making note taking and remembering things much more easier. Now, if you want to get hands on this pen and you want to try it for yourself, I have the link in the description box down below, and yeah, I would highly recommend using it, especially when you're studying or reviewing.
Oh, my silly. Magkano ba yun? Ito, 60. 120. What's in your mouth? To market. Maraming tao market.